First step is to remove climate control trim, starting from the passenger side and working to your left, removing the clips, and then disconnect the wire. Next, remove the top trim, no tools needed for that one. Then pull out your air vents from both sides. Now, using a 10mm tool, unscrew all 4 screws that hold the navigation system together. At this point, you should be able to pull out your navigation system and expose all the connectors. Now, behind your navigation system, remove the 28-pin connector and the 10-pin connector and connect the provided cable in between your navigation system and your vehicle harness. There's also a 16-pin connector which my vehicle doesn't have, so I'm just gonna leave that one out. I connected the included VCIP5 cable on the other end, plugged in my USB, added my HDMI adapter to the HDMI end, and by holding my steering wheel control seek up button for 5 seconds overrides everything. Now you can see my iPhone 6 Plus screen is mirrored to my navigation display. Finally, I'll test everything if it's working properly, including sound, and then reinstall everything back in the dash before I do the drive test. Drive the vehicle. All the features you see gray out, it becomes inactivated. Now I'm going to launch the override, pressing it for 5 seconds. There you go. See, vehicle's still in motion, but those controls are available now for you to. So I'll do it one more time. I'm still moving, as you can see, and then I'm going to press my track up button for 5 seconds. Now override is off. As you can see, everything becomes inactivated again. And if I go to, so installing this module also activates AV area, so now it's telling me it's not available because my vehicle doesn't have my parking brake on. So I'm going to press it for 5 seconds. And as you can see, now it doesn't say that anymore. All my controls are still available. And then now I'm going to just plug this into my iPhone. And let's see if I have video in motion. As you can see, now my iPhone screen is mirrored to my Highlander, and the vehicle is in motion and still activated. I'm able to utilize my apps. You can use whatever apps you want to use.
Made with 3/4 inch PVC tube.
Vehicle in motion, everything is available. I'm able to input address. Okay, so I have to select the state and then city. So it's letting me select the city and all the information. Let's see. So Mission Street.
The route guidance will start now.
And last thing, I wanted to show how I ran the wires. So here is my HDMI cable going up. Here's the USB cord that you have to plug in. You can actually tuck these away so they're not in the way. And I didn't want to use the glove box because it just gets too messy running wire from there to here. You can see my vehicle's in motion, and I have my contact list available, my dial pad available. So that feature works too. Everything gets override. In terms of other inputs, as you can see, it's working with my Surface Pro 3 as well. So, alright, thanks for watching.